Today, we're turning some everyday parts, an aluminum tube, a few batteries, and an origami icosahedron into a modern DIY lamp. It's unique, rechargeable, and looks amazing. Let's build it. We'll start by making the lampshade. I'm cutting paper squares, folding them into small origami modules, and connecting them together into a geometric icosahedron. This shape will give the lamp a futuristic look. Next, let's build the battery pack. I'm using 3 1700 lithium cells, but 118-650s would also work. I prepare a plastic base, add spring contacts and nickel strips, then secure everything with welding and glue. This keeps the cells safe and connected. Now we slide the battery pack inside an aluminum tube, about 46 millimeters wide, around 1.8 inches. I fix it in place with clear epoxy. This tube will be both the body and the heat sink for the lamp. I attach a 3-watt LED to its holder with thermal adhesive, then connect the wires. Next, I cut slots in the tube for a Type-C charging port and a switch. With the BMS board in place, I solder everything together: power switch, charging port, and protection circuit. On one end, I seal the tube with epoxy and tracing paper to block the wiring. On the other side, I prepare the icosahedron by cutting a hole and mounting it securely onto the tube. And here's the finished lamp. A clean aluminum body, a geometric origami diffuser, USB-C charging, and warm LED light. A perfect mix of tech and design, all homemade. If you enjoyed this build, hit the like button, subscribe for more DIY lighting projects, and let me know in the comments what I should build next.